Hello? Hello? Anyone? Please! Save me! God! Anyone? I'm so cold. God! Why'd you guys wait so long?
I didn't know what.
What the hell? I was waiting for you guys.
Me too.
Okay, well, make sure like.
You gotta have covered my nipple.
Why?
Because you just have to be. God damn it, I felt that one. I have to do that all over again, you guys.
Okay,
suck.
don't be so loud, that's
The whole
actually,
thing.
I have to be loud though.
All over again, yeah.
Damn it.
Okay.
This is lost.
I'm sorry, but if I'm not loud, then it's just like, I don't know. Because I'm outside, so, well,